People Pandi Oli Nation, Wagwana, welcome back the Haste Masters to the Haste channel, and thanks once more for subscribing and keeping in touch and following Road to a Funding Challenge account here. Now we're off to a good start. Remember, we are trading in phase 2, and before we can jump on the chart, don't know, they might call me Dinox man like Chief Panditing, better known as the Haste Master, and some of them people usually call me Dinox Nji Khalifa, Tamaramara, Govika Shiameko Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector Breo, the Haste Master upon it again. Without wasting much time, straight upon the chart, and this is what we're having, yeah? Now, before we can go and analyze the trades that have taken, now this is how the account is looking like. These are the statistics, yeah? Now, in our phase 2 account, we are up at 2%, we are up at 1,026.25, and we have only taken 4 trades. I remember we have only started trading this week, and I'm up with 75% win rate. This is not a 0.75, yeah? And the account size is there, yeah? Now this is how the equity curve is looking like. I remember in the first phase we passed with a 57 with it, because we had a moment where we were struggling to cope up with the market, because the February price action was not one of the best. But then at the last week of our trading, February was profitable, and we were able to booyaka the thing and pass the account with flying colors, yeah? Now we left with 1,473.75, and that is the psychological thing that I don't want to get in my mind, because the reason why passing a phase 2 challenge is so difficult is because you I'm a trade away to get funded, and let me rush the process. You end up over risking, and then you end up in a deep drawdown that you are not able to recover out. You already know, nothing better than this, yeah? We have only traded 3 trading days, and without much ado, let us go to the account. This is how it is looking like. So no trades for today. The account balance is there, and you can see it is a phase 2 there, and these are the account trades that you have taken. So in the last 24 hours, I remember this was the trade I had on a buy on a USD card, and the net profit of that day was 1,111 flat. This is amazing. What are the odds that you can do such a thing? 1,111 dot nothing. You don't know, right? And the thing, yeah? Now in the last 7 days, this is how the account is looking like. We were able to get 3 winning trades, and so we started with a negative trade, which was more of like a break even, a -1% trade on a Euro USD, and this is how it looks like. So but then we were able to recover quickly with a German 30 trade, thanks to GBP. You already know, nothing better than that. And then the buys on a USD card, on a USD on a card, USD, yeah? I'm used to USD card, I don't know why, yeah? So straight to the analysis of the German 30 trade, and then we can head to the US AUD USD trade, because the other Euro I was wrong, so no need to share a wrong setup. Yeah, I was wrong basically. That is why I was taken out. Start the thing. You already know, yeah? Yeah, so remember, we only do valuable information out at the Haste, and this is how the account is looking like. This was the trade. Going into the day, this is how everything was looking like, yeah? So going into the day, what made me to short this trade here, you can see going into the day of this German 30 from the 4-hour time frame there, you can see that the market went past these areas here. Now basically what made me come and take this trade, it was more of like after sweeping above these areas here, and we went and swept the Asian low. After sweeping the Asian low in the 15 minutes there was a period like the market was not moving up, and I was like, we had already shifted the structure going downwards, and it was more of like we had changed, we had shifted the character, yeah? We had a market structure shift here. This was the high, this was now the higher low. But then once we broke below these areas in the Asian ranges there, and we were not able to go above that area there, once I had seen those candlestick coming down, and I was sure now we were coming to take out the Asian low and continue downwards to take at least these lows here. Yeah, initially my target profit was all the way here, but then I was like, after the market took, there was a period where the market, this candlestick that was like reversing there, yeah, once it came to that area, exited at that exactly area there. Yeah, and I had my pending order at that area there, and then it tapped me in and went straight to my take profit. So let me try to see the execution. Where is this German? So the German seller, let me see the exact area where I took it. So the open price was 22,885. Let us try to see 22,885. Where is it? Where is this 22, 22, 22, 8? Where is this 22, 8? 8, 8. Yeah, I'm not sure of this trade where I took it. Or was it down below these areas here? Yeah, was, I think it was down here after now this break of structure there when the volume came down. Yeah, and then I exited at, let me see the exit price. Where did I exit this market from? That was the entry price, and I closed at 22 677, 22 677, 22 677. It is, I think, that particular area there. It was a beautiful one too. 22 677. Almost just there. Yeah, now basically that was the trade, nothing complicated. We had a market structure shift after sweeping above those areas there, after, and then we had our London our Asian low break, and then I had my limits there, and then instantly we had volume tapping me in break, and then we retested that area there, and then straight to my take profit. I never like wanted to hold it too way much to this area, because I was like, let me just recover the loss and call it a day. Yeah, and from there I went to USD, AUD, USD. I'm not used to this pair, that is why I'm having difficulties with even pronouncing it. AUD, USD. Yeah, we used Oanda. Now I believe this was the best. Yeah, I had it yesterday. AUD, USD. I used to trade it way back, but nowadays I'm not used to trading it, because I'm always into trading yeah, GBP USD a lot. Yeah, now this is basically what we're seeing on in going into this trade. We don't have like much we are going to say. Yeah, now whatever you can see from this trade here, we came to this area which is more of like you can see we have this area of demand there, which led to that break of structure, and we were like respecting that area there. Yeah, and after we were respecting that area, this was the market came massively to this area here, and after coming to this area, we were getting a lot of rejection from that area, and once we broke above that area, it means now we have shifted, hence we are making now higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, this was more of like a breakout. Now if you put your trend line here, this is going to be more of like a breakout, and remember this is the 4-hour time frame. This is more of like a breakout or a change of character, and after a breakout you expect a breakout, a retest, and then a trend continuation. Yeah, now after this a breakout, a retest, and then there was this rejecting a doji from that area there, and it went and pushed above these areas here, and after pushing above that area in the 1 hour, this was more of like I holded it a lot. And yeah, after breaking above that area, a breakout, a retest, and then we were now into a trend continuation, going into the direction we want to trade with, after rejecting or after respecting this area of demand from this area there. And then I had my orders set above this area here. Yeah, now and then the market went above that area there, activating my order, and then we were in this trade for how many hours? If this is the hourly candlestick, we have it like 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours, and then we were out the thing with 1,111. You can see everything is simple, mechanical, nothing complicated. There's no much of details in there was a liquidity grab, there was a fair value gap, just a price action, mechanic trading with the trend, and it does not get any much better than this. Basically going into the market after a market structure shift, trading to where the volume is headed to, and being a friend to the market. Trading with the trend is always a friend to the trader who's trading with. I don't want to catch a falling knife. I mean, come on, does not get any much better than that. Yeah, so we're off to a good start. I don't want to complicate the process. We only left with 3% to go. Now we can look for a trader today and make 1%, or don't force it, because tomorrow we have NFP, so it makes sense not even to trade until next week, and we can get one trader, we make 2%, and then we deal with the 1% later. We have only traded for 3 days, and this is a massive growth and a massive progress in our phase 2 account. So it means we only just following the process, and in a flip of a finger we'll get there. Until next time, my people. So if you want to also trade with the best broker, Mana Global, remember the link to the Just Markets is in the description. And if you also want a funded account, you can get yourself a funded next account. I'm also going to document a 50k in funding with a funded next. Yeah, this year you're not ready for the amount of progress you're going to make as the Haste fraternity or the Haste community. Does not get any much better than this. So until next time, my people, Pandating, peace out.